Hi, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to another video here on Entertainment Buffet. I'm Lolo. Today I had an idea for a video and I went to execute it and shit went a little bit sour.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. I can't do it. I can't do it, you guys.
So now here I am and I thought, well, what can I do in the meantime? I was in the shower, of all places, and I came across this. So in today's video, we're making cinnamon buns from a shampoo bottle. Let's go. So I'm following the recipe exactly on this cinnamon buns recipe from Philosophy. I have all of my ingredients out pretty much except for the refrigerated ones. I'm making it vegan, don't judge me. So this is plant-based butter that I have sitting out so that it comes to room temperature. It says 1/4 cup of warm milk. Something in the fridge smells rancid and I don't think it's mine. Sarah and Alex. By the way, my roommates, Sarah and Alex, were in my last Entertainment Buffet video. If you haven't already, you should check it out. It doesn't say like how many it makes, so this should be interesting. I'm microwaving the milk because we're real classy here. 4 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 eggs. Mix all ingredients except yeast, water, and flour. Thank you. We're gonna let rise 1 hour. And we're back. It's been an hour and guys, I f***ed up. The recipe calls for 2.5 cups of flour and I was supposed to put 1.5 cups in and I only put half a cup in, which is probably why it looks so sad and pathetic. And it barely rose at all. So now we're gonna put 2 cups of flour in. We're gonna put it in a greased bowl and we're gonna let it rise again for an hour. But I do have my comedy class right now and it's a 90-minute class, but it typically goes over. So we're probably going to let it rise for longer than we should. I don't know if that's bad. So it'll probably be a couple of hours. Hopefully we didn't screw this up. I'm a little buzzed. I was drinking hard apple cider during my comedy class. It makes me more creative. No, it doesn't. Anyways, we have our dough here now, and yay, it actually looks like dough. It smells really good, actually. Like, the cinnamon smell is filling my kitchen right now, at least in this region. Hopefully, when I put it in the oven, it will be in the entire region. Back to our recipe here. The last step is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, which I did just do. And let's see, we are going to shape rolls. It says punch down shape rolls and let rise for an hour. This is just really time consuming. Like, I thought it was gonna be a breakfast thing and now it's gonna be like a dinner thing, but that's okay because we have no choice. We're gonna leave it sitting here for an hour and then we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 18 minutes. Look what we have. I didn't think it was gonna rise at all in the oven, and then it did. It didn't give me any icing recipe, so I just used this pink decorative icing that I had in my pantry, and then also, of course, prism powder, because why not? And I made this like really crazy freaking thing. Wow, it's good, dude. It's kind of weird because the cinnamon buns that I know have cinnamon like swirled in the center, and this is just kind of like cinnamon like in it. There you have it, folks. We just made a cinnamon bun recipe from a shampoo bottle, and it's actually tasty. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed to Entertainment Buffet for more content like this and so much more. It's really amazing, guys. Also, if you want to follow me, all my info is down below in the description box. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!